You know, when I first heard about yoga as a way to lose weight, I was skeptical. I mean, how could a practice that seemed so serene and gentle possibly help me shed those stubborn pounds? But then I realized it's not just about the physical postures. It's about the whole experience, the connection between mind and body. So I decided to dive in and explore the world of yoga, specifically focusing on exercises that could help me lose weight effectively at home. First off, there's the classic downward dog. It's not just a pose, it's a full-body workout. You engage your arms, legs, and core, and it gets your heart rate up. Then there's the Warrior Two, which builds strength in your legs while also improving your balance. It's empowering to feel like a warrior, ready to take on the world, and it's a great way to tone those thighs. Let's not forget about the sun salutations. They're like a warm-up and a workout rolled into one. Flowing through those poses gets your blood pumping, and before you know it, you've completed a mini cardio session. And if you want to really challenge yourself, try the plank pose. It's deceptively simple, but works your entire core. And holding it for even a minute can make a world of difference. Then there's the bridge pose, which not only strengthens your back, but also opens up your hips. It's amazing how much tension we carry in our bodies, and this pose helps release it. Speaking of hip openers, the pigeon pose is a game changer. It's intense, but so rewarding, and it helps with flexibility while also working on those glutes. The chair pose is another favorite of mine. It's like a squat, but with a twist. You feel the burn in your thighs, and it's a reminder that strength comes from within. And if you're looking for something to really get your heart racing, try the high lunge. It's dynamic and engages your entire body, making it a fantastic calorie burner. As you move through these poses, don't forget to breathe. Breath is life, and it's what connects your mind to your body. Incorporating breathwork into your practice can amplify the effects of these exercises. And let's not overlook the importance of mindfulness. Yoga teaches you to listen to your body, to understand what it needs, and to respect its limits. Finally, end your practice with a calming savasana. It's not just about relaxation, it's about allowing your body to absorb all the hard work you've done. So, if you're looking to lose weight, remember that yoga is more than just a workout. It's a holistic approach to wellness that can transform your body and mind.